Good morning, children. Information of the lecture date 16 June. Class 8th, subject English. Essentials of English grammar we are reading, children. And this is lecture number 3rd. We are going to study, children. So we were reading this chapter number 3rd, verbs expressing the past. Now let's see. We are at past perfect form. Past perfect tense we are doing, children. Past perfect in that we have had is the helping verb, and again there will be third form of the verb like played. Subjects will remain same, you can see this one. Now let's go to past perfect uses. First use is the past perfect tense is used to express an action that completed before a given moment in the past. The action started in the past and finished itself in the past before the given moment, right? The message came after he had left the office. See, he left the office, the message came. Now he had left the office. Now you see, this is what message came later. He left the office before. So that means the security had forces had reached the airport before the plane landed, right? Next use, it is used with such verbs as hope, expect, think, mean, suppose, want, etc. to suggest that an expected past action did not take place, right? So we had hoped that most of the guests would come, but they didn't. These sorts of verbs are used with past perfect, right? See the next example. I had thought of inviting at least my close friends. That's very important. I had thought. So you just need to see these verbs are very important to memorize, right, everyone? So you all will memorize these all sorts of verbs. Let's go to next slide. We have exercise. Rewrite the following passage using the simple past or the past perfect tense. Well, we have done both, children. What we need to see, we need to see whether we need to fill past or past perfect. That's up to us, right, everyone? So see, I will do two for you. Rest you'll do it yourselves, and you'll get the answer key to tally with it. Professor Amartya Sen, who dash the Nobel Prize for Economic Sciences in 1998. So when is there? So what will we have there? We will have one, because past time is given in 1998. Who won the Nobel Prize? One means WON. It is the second form of win. It is simple past, right? So in simple past we use the second form or past form of the verb. In 1998, dash not initially want to become an economist. So what will we have? We'll have here past perfect had not initially wanted. Just note down this in the second blank. It will be had not initially wanted to become an economist. Right, children? Like this, we need to manage whether simple past or past perfect tense. Right? You will do now yourselves, and next you'll get the answer key to tally. Go to ninth exercise. Rewrite the following passage using the simple past or the past perfect tense of the verbs given in the brackets. Same, children. When Marco Polo and his two companions reach dash back Italy in 1295. So what you write there, this time is given, so we'll write the reached. Companions reached back Italy 1295. Back Italy in 1295. Nobody dash them means recognized them. Recognize will be converted into recognized. So the two blanks I have done for you. Rest you'll do it yourselves. Now present perfect continuous form. Again we have in present perfect continuous we have two, has and have, both helping verbs, and the been will be added with has or have. That will become has been, have been, and we will have continuous form of verb basically, right? Has been playing, have been playing, right everyone? So let's say the uses. Present perfect continuous uses. The present perfect continuous tense is used to express an action that began in the past and has been in progress till the time of speaking. Means the action started in the past, but when you are speaking it is continued there also. See, I dare have been waiting. Have been is the helping verb and waiting is the action verb. I have been waiting for the bus since 7 o'clock. Now you see, I started waiting at 7 o'clock and am still waiting, whether it is 9 o'clock, 10 o'clock, or 7:30, right? So it's still waiting. That's why we got this continue. Action still continue. Let's see next. I started waiting 7 p.m. I am still waiting means by now also waiting. It has been raining for 15 minutes. That means it started 15 minutes ago and it is still raining, right? So let's say second usage. It is also used to express an action that finished just a short while ago. Saloni has been watching TV. She has stopped watching now, but we can see this also. Some stray cattle have been trading over these flower beds. They have now gone away. So these sorts of examples we can do. The action is just over before ago. A few points, right? Few moments. Now you see since and for, since 7 a.m., since 2013, since childhood, and for an hour, for a long time, for ages. Since is used to suggest the point of time at which an action started. Mr. Menon has been talking to some guests since 7 a.m. Right? We get it. For it is used to suggest the period of time for which an action has been going. So since is for point of time which started and for period of time which is going on, has been going on. Madam has been talking to some guests for 2 hours, not certain basically. When you talk about certain time, that's since. When you talk about uncertain, that's for. Since suggests the time at which an action started. For suggests the duration for which an action has been in progress. So remember this, you need to practice with children. Let's go ahead. Yes, we have here fill in the blanks with since or for. So I will do two for you, rest you'll do it yourself. Yesterday we'll get here since because it's point of time. Last year, again last year since, right? Several years, third, for several years. Three sentences I've done for you, rest you'll do it yourselves. Since yesterday, since last year, for several years. Let's go to next. Use these expression in sentences your own. You need to use this. Let's go to 11th exercise. Fill in the blanks with the following sentences with the present perfect continuous tense of the verbs given in the brackets. Bracket we have verb. Now has been or have been we need to write and need to convert this base verb to the ing form. The number of working women, women is plural so we'll write have been. Number of working women have been. The number we have, so it will get singular children. If a number would be there then we get plural. If the number will get singular. The number of working women has been steadily increasing. Increase will be converted into ing, increasing during the past few years. Got it? The number of working women has been steadily increasing during the past few years. Just note down properly everyone. Next sentence, the farmers dash for the rain so that they can plant their crops. Wait is there so we'll write farmers plural so have been. The farmers have been waiting for the rain so that they can plant their crops, right? Have been waiting is the answer. So the rest you'll do it yourselves. Let's go to next. Yes, for each situation, exercise 12, for each situation, ask question using the given clues. Now you have the clues. Let's read the examples. Based on that, you need to frame questions, right? Your father tells you he is saving money to purchase a new car. You ask how long save money, how much money save, right? So the how long answer question will be how long have you been saving money? Have you been or has he been? Like this we need to mention in the sentences, children. How long have you been saving money? How much money have you saved so far? Right, everyone? So we need to see whether we are writing as present perfect or present perfect continuous. I'll do one example for you. Rest of the sentences you'll do it yourselves. And you have seen the example. Now let's see the first sentence. You come back home, you find a friend waiting. You ask how long oblique wait. So what will be the question? How long have you been waiting? Full interrogation mark. Again I'm repeating the first. How long have you been waiting? Right? This will be the correct question. Rest you will make yourselves and I'll send you the answer key, everyone.